Central Indiana, southern Orange County in south central Indiana, southwestern Washington County in south central Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. or 8:15 p.m. At 8:52 p.m. or 7:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Salem to 9 miles southwest of Powley, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include English, Carefree Town, Palmyra, Marengo, Milltown, Greenville, Hardinsburg, Crandall, Fredericksburg, and Bernaville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties: Perry, Indiana,